bad. But as y'all can see, the flags are red, so we can't go swimming today. But sorry if y'all can't hear me. Very, very, very weird. Step back. It's Jay here, back with another video. Can we get 10 likes for this video? It's giant out here. We're gonna have a storm, and we are in Destin. My dad is the cameraman. Say hi to him. I'm Jay. If y'all don't know me, y'all are part of the funnest channel on YouTube. But we are the Beach Boys. That's kind of our name. But the flag is red, so we can't make it. If y'all look over there, very over there, there's some kids. It's kind of cold here, but I've got 1 week of school, guys. So, Dad, what's the date?
Today is the 28th of March.
28th of March, guys.
Memorial Day.
Memorial Day. So yeah, pretty fun. My dad was in the army, so respect him, guys. And if y'all want, give him 100 likes. My dad was awesome in the army, but yeah. So we've, it's pretty nice here. But I think, what if guys, imagine a giant dragon shot lightning at the water, and someone got in, and they're like, okay, guys. So yeah, but I am on YouTube. I'm a YouTube fan. My dad is pretty cool, but so yeah, guys, we're gonna make more videos. If y'all want more to tell y'all about what's happening, we will. But yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.